Hey there, Greg Marchand here. Let's talk about social media and promoting your shop. I think we're at a point now in 2024 where we recognize that we're probably not going to necessarily gain more customers through social media. We're not going to attract customers through social media, but we're going to build brand and culture through social media. We're going to let the world know what we stand for. Can you still throw out there, hey, next 3 people that show up on Tuesday afternoon at 3 o'clock get a free oil change? Yeah, you can do that, and in your local market, maybe if your Facebook action is good enough or your Insta game is good enough, then maybe you can pull in some customers, but you're probably not going to pull me in with an offer like that if I don't already know you, right? So use your social media to build your brand. You can certainly promote community events, you can promote open houses, you can promote, hey, check out who we just hired today, here's their bio. You can promote the culture of your organization and the people within your organization, but you're probably not going to promote the acquisition of new customers. Know that. Use your social media to build loyalty, to build raving fans, and to support your customer referral program. Keep up the great work and never stop learning.